Hey, what's going on everyone? Here today we got this 2020 Subaru STI. We installed a remote start system and integrated to his factory key fob. I'm going to show you how the process works. This is a manual transmission car. So I'm going to start the vehicle up for you. Vehicle is started. E-brake is down as if we were driving. You come to a complete stop, you need to put it in reservation mode. The process for that is e-brake up, e-brake down, e-brake up, let go of the brake, let go of the clutch. You're going to exit the vehicle. Vehicle will stay running. On your remote, you're going to hit the lock button. After a few seconds, the vehicle will shut off and arm itself. Now you have put the vehicle in reservation mode. Now when you want to go remote start it on this factory key, you're going to hit the lock button 3 times. There you have it. 2020 Subaru STI manual trans remote start. Thank you guys for watching.